Hi students, my name is Kathleen Reynolds and I'll be your teacher for Writing 4 for summer of 2020. I'm so happy that you're in this class. It's not easy to study online and it's not easy to study during a pandemic, but I'm so happy that you are trying to continue your education and reach your goals, and I'm here to support you. So the first video is to show you about how our class will work and how our class is structured. And you can see we're looking at the Harper College website today. This is the information about the graduating class, and I hope that we'll see some of you on there sometime. So the information that I'm going to show you is on the Blackboard website, which hopefully you know how to log into and you know your username and password, and you'll see that our course is Writing 4 ESL 067001 Summer 2020. So let me go into the website and show you a few important pieces of information based on the website. So when we start, we have announcements, and this is where I will put new information every week. If there's any announcements from the department or anything like that, I will post those here. The next element is the syllabus and schedule. So you can see a text version, a PDF, and a doc of the syllabus and schedule. So we'll take a few minutes to look at that. Here on the syllabus, you see my name and my email address. You can also contact me via text message at Remind. I will provide information about that. The information is there now if you'd like to register for Remind, but I'm not requiring it until, well, you never have to do it, but I'm not going to suggest it more until the second week, just because we have so many things to do during the first week. You will notice that we're not going to campus right now. So don't visit the college, just email me if you have questions, and I can also make a virtual meeting with you. So here is our textbook for the class. Make sure that you get the version with the online workbook. This is an Amazon link to the text. You see that you can buy it new for $48, and it will be delivered. If you have Prime, it will be delivered very quickly. So this is the description of the course and the course objectives. These are the things that we will be completing during the summer class. This is we're required to provide this information, but we will be writing during class time or in a timed period at least 3 essays. That's number 1. We'll write at home several expository essays and paragraphs. And these are the course requirements. So remember, taking an online course is not easy, but if you follow along with the directions and keep in touch, you will be able to meet your goals. You are expected to check Blackboard regularly and complete the assignments there. We will also meet online in Blackboard Collaborate at least once a week. And if you cannot attend at the time that we schedule, it will be recorded so that you can watch later. The most important requirement for the class is to communicate and ask questions. So make sure that you know my email and you're able to let me know if you have any questions or problems. This is how our work will be graded. Remember, you need a 93% to receive an A, and 85% a B, and a 75% a C. So a 75% is to go to the next level. This is how our work will be graded. I have a late work policy that all missed work must be completed within 1 week or it will receive a 0. Also, this is the academic honesty policy, which we will discuss more, but basically this means do not cheat, do not copy from the internet. If you use an article from the internet, you must quote it and give the website that you used, and do not copy from other people. Finally, we have many student support resources at Harper College. These are still operating online, so make sure you check those out if you would like some additional help with any of these topics. Finally, the last page of this is the schedule, and it tells you each week what the major assignments we have, what book units we're studying, and what sort of topics we're studying each week. So this is a major overview. Okay, so remember that was in the syllabus and schedule. Please check that out. The next link is Blackboard Collaborate. And this is the link where you will join our online classes. So this week we have an online meeting scheduled for Tuesday at 10 a.m. So you would click on this link. you would come to the three dots and click Join Course Room, and then you would be able to join the rest of the class. So if try it, please, the first week. If you have any problems, we will be there to support you. But that's how you join Collaborate. Okay. Course materials is a little different if you've taken my class before. So course materials now has things that you need that support you in the class. So for example, how to join Remind, which is our text service, is the first one. Submitting assignments on Blackboard tells you how to turn things in on Blackboard, how to submit, how to use Microsoft Word for free. If you're using Google Docs, how can you submit on Blackboard, or how can you scan a handwritten document? All of those are there to help you. Okay. We also have some additional resources here, like how to see your feedback on Blackboard, using Blackboard Collaborate, and online workbook help. So there's all sorts of things here. If you're not sure how to do something, please check out course materials. Faculty information provides my email and contact information again. Learning modules is where most of the information will be. So every week you would go to the week that we are studying, that we are in right now, the week of May 18th, and you will be able to access the assignments and materials for that day. So I'm going to explain the first week in a different video, just so you don't have to watch the whole thing again. Okay, we have a discussion board for this class, and there's two forums right now. So the first one is called Raise Your Hand. This is a place where you can post any types of questions that you would like an answer to, and I will answer your question here. So that helps your classmates who have the same questions. So that's whenever you have a question, you can post it there. We also have an introductions discussion board. So you would click on when you're ready to participate by telling us your name and your country, language or languages, other classes you are taking, your major or career, you would go ahead and click on that and enter the information. So there'll be other discussion board later. We also have online workbook, which is the external link that takes us to our online workbook for the class, which is something that is required, and I will be explaining that more in the week 1 video. And we have resources. Resources are just extra links for you to practice some grammar points or parts of an essay or other skills that we learn in class, and I'll refer you to those when it's appropriate. And I think here the most important one you need to use here is My Grade. So this is where you'd be able to see your grades for the course, your final grade, your total grade, and any assignments that you have. Okay, so hopefully this gives you a good overview of our course, and please make sure to watch the next video where I will explain what you need to do during the first week of class.